In this video, we're going to be looking at the PlayStation Media Remote in 2025, talking about if it's still worth it and its accessory and unboxing it for the first time in 2025. Let's have a look at the PlayStation Media Remote. So it comes in a box and you'll get a battery and the main remote. That's basically what it is. You'll get instructional guides as normal. So there's the main media remote for the PlayStation 5. So it has this button at the back. So what you do is you just press the button at the back and that'll open the back part. And there you go. You have your two batteries or AA battery input. Put it in, you just follow the instructions. So A and the plus right there. To connect this to your PlayStation 5 Pro, for example, what you want to do is set up your PlayStation 5 media remote in the settings and press the lines and the home button at the same time. And it will start pairing. So that is how you connect it to a PlayStation 5. So in your PlayStation 5, you want to go to settings, you want to go to accessories, media remote, set up media remote, and that way you can start setting it up. So once you're in that menu, all you have to do is press the home button and the three lines and it will work straight away. And you can set up manually for different TVs. For example, you got your Sony, Hisense, all that sort of jazz. And then you can go into your media home. So once again, you got all your different options. So for example, you got your Spotify, you got your Disney Plus, Netflix. So you just press one of those and instantly Netflix, or if I press YouTube, it'll instantly go to YouTube. You just have to download all the apps. So is this still worth it in 2025? Absolutely. It still controls everything on the media app and it's mainly for the media app. Not for gameplay, even though you might be able to do basic gameplay on this, but it's not like your DualSense controller. It's still useful in 2025, I believe. I still think it's great and it's a great price. It was only $50 and it does the job if you mainly use the PlayStation 5. On the side for like media, it is perfect. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to see more.